The Tyger T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau cover is the perfect solution to cover your truck bed with style and only takes a few minutes to install. In this video, we will be installing on a 2019 Ford F-150 with a 5.5-foot bed. If the truck's front bed rail or tailgate is lower than the sides, use the provided weather seal strip. Gaps on the front bed or tailgate will cause noise and flapping issues while the vehicle is in motion. The clamps are already attached to the assembled cover. There are 2 front clamps, 2 front safety clamps, and 2 rear clamps. Place the assembled cover on the bulkhead against the cab. Unbuckle the safety strap and unfold the cover completely towards the tailgate. Make sure the cover is aligned on all sides. Then carefully fold the cover up to the cab without moving its position. Pull down the front clamp. Then hook the clamp's jaw portion onto the metal bed rail lip and turn the knob until the side Q seal is compressed for a snug fit. The position of the clamp has been pre-assembled for optimal fitment on your vehicle, but if needed, release the top Phillips head screw and then the clamp can be relocated to any of the 3 horizontal positions. Next, install the 2 front safety clamps for additional security. Unfold the cover completely towards the tailgate. Pull down the rear clamps and hook onto the bed rail lip to ensure a snug fit. Close the tailgate to complete the installation. To access the truck bed, open the tailgate and pull the 2 clamp handles up to release the rear clamps. Fold the cover over once and then secure the rear clamps to the side with the jaw portion facing down. When the vehicle is in motion, safety straps must be buckled if cover is folded to the cab or if cover is closed. All 6 clamps must be securely attached to the truck.
Retrax premium truck bed covers are the very best you can buy. Riding on sealed ball bearings, the cover opens and closes with ease. The RetraxONE can be latched or key-locked into any position, providing unrivaled flexibility and security. When closed, it turns your truck bed into a vault, helping to keep your valuable possessions secure and prying eyes out. It also allows you to secure cargo of any size. Retrax truck bed covers are an extension of your truck. RetraxONE's exclusive low-profile design doesn't alter your truck's clean lines. Available in both matte and glossy black finishes, Retrax covers complement the unique look of your truck. The RetraxONE is our high-gloss finish cover, and the RetraxONE MX is our textured matte finish cover. Made from aluminum-reinforced polycarbonate, the RetraxONE supports distributed loads of more than 200 pounds. It's tough and maintenance-free. The sealed ball bearings provide smooth operation and prevent the cover from binding. The one-piece design means the cover is always sealed tight, yet is easy to operate even after years of use and exposure to the elements. If water does enter the canister, drain tubes route water out of the bed, keeping your cargo dry. The unique spiral track system within the canister keeps the cover from coming in contact with itself as it closes, minimizing wear and tear. Our patented canister design allows it to sit flush with the cover. A Retrax cover never blocks your rear view visibility, and its compact design allows full use of your truck bed floor. It works great with fifth wheels and many rack systems. It can be custom made to work with your toolbox on a utility bed or custom truck. The RetraxONE cover features the same great utility and looks as the RetraxONE, but allows for hands-off operation. The RetraxONE opens and closes at the touch of a button, while still locking at any position along the rail. The RetraxONE key fob also remotely controls an integrated cargo light located on the canister. The cargo light includes an auto shut-off feature. Retrax covers are easy to install with just a few clamps. Proudly made in the USA, all Retrax covers include a limited lifetime warranty. Retrax. All day, every day, covered.
When you need the utility of a premium soft roll-up truck bed cover without the premium price tag, Truxport by Truxedo has you covered. Our most affordable soft roll-up truck bed cover protects your cargo from the worst Mother Nature has to offer. The Truxport is there when you need it and out of the way when you don't. When you need full access to your truck bed, it rolls up and stores at the front. Its UV-resistant leather grain vinyl looks great on any truck. Its tight front and tailgate seals keep the elements and weather out, everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. You can install Truxport in less than 20 minutes without drilling or special tools. Simply connect the cover assembly to the rails before clamping them to your truck bed. To protect your cargo, release the safety straps, unroll the cover, and slam it closed to latch it. The preset tension control keeps the cover smooth and flat for a low-profile look. An industrial hook and loop system seals the sides of the cover down. When used with a locking tailgate, Truxport keeps your belongings safe and dry. When you need to use your truck bed to the fullest, press down on the dual latches, roll the cover to the front, and secure with the safety straps. With the straps in place, you can safely drive with the cover fully open. Every time you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that we put all our covers to the test to make sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. We've even custom designed Truxport to your truck's specific year, make, and model for a guaranteed fit. We proudly manufacture Truxport here in the USA and back it with our 5-year warranty. At Truxedo, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between great design and affordability. With Truxport, you can finally have both. Truxedo. Cover your truck, live your life.
Hi, I'm Charlie Henley from BAK Industries, and I'm here to introduce the all-new BAKFlip MX4. In 2005, we invented the BAKFlip technology with the world's first flush-fit, hard-folding cover, and I'd like to tell you how this cover stands out in our family of product offering. This beautiful cover offers a smooth texture and a matte finish to create a unique look in our BAKFlip family of products. Moreover, it offers our premium density core capable of standing up to 400 pounds of weight distributed over the top. This product is going to be robust and perfect for the UV desert climate and off-road applications. As the premium offering in our all-aluminum BAKFlip family, the MX4 has an amazing upgrade in the new universal functionality at the tailgate, which allows you to open the tailgate and close it underneath the cover, which is very new, while still being able to close the cover easily over the top of your tailgate if it's already been closed. You'll notice the smooth, clean appearance of the MX4 doesn't have any keys facing the sky. This eliminates the potential for failure, where water can get in and freeze overnight, or dirt and sand can cause an issue. We rely on the truck's original equipment tailgate to lock and secure the bed. By unlocking and lowering the tailgate, you'll gain access to a simple pull cable release that releases the automatic latch system from either side. This new cover is so simple to operate. The automatic latches are effortless to allow you to click and fold the cover into an open position. Now here we have a new strap and buckle that allows you to strap the cover in the first down position behind the cab, to hitch up your fifth wheel, or to throw a table saw in the back. But even more important is the ability for the cover to fold wide open. Now you'll notice D-shaped bumpers that are going to prevent any direct contact to the cab or glass when the cover's leaned forward. And then a very simple locking rod goes into the slide lock to gain access to 100% of the pickup bed for driving at highway speeds. The unique patented ability for the BAKFlip to lean forward with bumpers protecting the cab allow the cover to become shorter and provide visibility for the third brake light to prevent collisions from behind. But more importantly, because we've secured the cover from the front and from the rear, if you have large cargo that shifts abruptly forward, the BAKFlip MX4 is going to prevent damage to your cab and to your glass. The patented rail design of the MX4 allows for a host of other accessories with access to the stake pocket hole, bed rail bars, tie downs, headache racks, overhead racks. All types of accessories, aftermarket and OEM, will work, including track systems, lighting systems, bed extenders, and tailgate steps. Toolboxes like the back box that goes underneath. This cover is going to make the entire back of the truck the largest toolbox you could have, and items like this are going to allow you that organization that you're looking for as well. The BAKFlip MX4 is going to be very easy to close, as the weight of the cover will automatically engage the rail. By closing and locking the tailgate, you've secured your cargo. In order to help keep your cargo dry, we use an EPDM seal that joins to the top horizontal surface of your bed rail on your truck. And at the back, a triple fin seal will create a watertight barrier against your tailgate. With the new premium features of the universal function of the tailgate and the robust construction and matte finish of the panels, we are confident the MX4 is a great choice. MX4 is proudly made in America with a manufacturer's 3-year warranty.
The Gator ETX soft tri-fold truck bed cover is made in America. In fact, it's designed, engineered, patented, built, and supported in America. This means that it's made to work for you and your family. Whether you use your truck on the job or to take your kids sledding. Our Gator cover allows you to take greater advantage of your truck bed. The rear panel is hinged and opens just like a car trunk. Fold it back again to fully open the cover. If you want to drive with it fully open, you just need to buckle the straps down. To close and secure the cover, just unbuckle the straps. Fold it all the way down, then use the clamps to lock it down. It sits low on your truck bed. Its soft curves and sleek design create a smooth, contoured look that completes your truck. The tailgate has to be down to open the cover, so when the tailgate is locked, our cover seals the truck bed shut. It keeps weather and prying eyes out. The tailgate can still be opened and closed with the Gator ETX closed, so you can still get to your stuff while keeping out the elements. The heavy-duty leather-grained fabric has been tested to withstand the harshest freeze and heat conditions. Each of our covers are tailor-fit to within 1/10 of an inch to look great and seal tight. When closed, the ETX foam seals compress against the bed rails to keep water and the elements out of your truck bed. So no matter what your commute is like or what the forecast calls for, the Gator ETX keeps your cargo dry throughout the year. It takes less than 10 minutes to initially install the cover, and it doesn't require any tools. When you need to haul something that requires every bit of your truck bed, the ETX can be uninstalled in just a few minutes. It goes back on just as quickly. We are so confident in the American design and quality of our Gator ETX soft tri-fold that it comes backed by a lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp. If you ever need support for your cover, just give one of our Michigan-based customer service representatives a call. Our American-made Gator ETX soft tri-fold provides convenient protection for your truck bed and its cargo.